Hello friend, today in this tutorial we are going to learn about the download and installation of GNS3. First of all, you have to know the basic of GNS3. This is an emulator for networking, okay? And you can download it from the official website gns3.com. What is the requirement? Operating system requirement. It supports Windows 7, 8, 10, Windows 11, Windows Server all the version from 2012 to 2016 and above. You can see the minimum requirement is 4 GB RAM. Okay, so if you have 4 GB RAM, then you can install it, but recommended is at least 16 GB RAM. But what is good? Optimal requirements, it means your GNS3 will run very smoothly if you have 32 GB of RAM. Okay, now you can download it from there. Now what is the requirement? See, I'm going to download it from the official website. You have to go to the official website and you have to sign in. Okay, and from sign in, once you sign in, you can download it from here. You can click on free download and you will get the for Windows, Mac and Linux. I'm using right now Windows, so I'm going to download it from Windows. If you want to download and install in MacBook, I have already uploaded a video on how to download and install GNS3 on MacBook. I will give the link on the I button. Okay, you can download and watch from there. So now click for the Windows, click on download. Okay, and you can see downloading has been started. Now what before download, before installation, you need to understand some certain things. What should we install and what should we not install? Okay, so there are a few options. So let me show the options. So you will see these are so many tools here during installation. Out of these tools, which you need to install, Npcap, which is used to connect your GNS3 computer network with the outer network. Okay, so if you want your project to communicate with the outside world, you need to install this Npcap. Ncap is optional. So if you are installing Npcap, you don't need to install Ncap. Okay, Npcap. Wireshark recommended, so you have to install it. Dynamapis, it is required, so you have to install it. QME is optional, you don't need to install it. Virtual PC recommended, so you have to install it. CPU limit is optional, you don't need to install it. GNS3, obviously you have to install it. Tight BNC viewer, Solar Putty and Vert viewer, you have to need to install it. Now you can see Intel Hardware Acceleration Manager, that is an optional which you don't need to install. So let's do the installation process now. So I go here, I click on open file and it will look something like this. So while it's loading, just wait, and you can see install anyway. Yes, next, agree, next. Now you can see you have to select the option here. So I'm selecting GNS3 desktop, click on next, and then you have to click on I agree. Then you can see restrict Ncap driver to SS administrator only. It's asking for Ncap, so I am not going to. So you can see this one, install Ncap in Npcap API compatible mode. Okay, so you can use this one, then click on next, finish. So this installation process timing will completely depends on your internet speed. If you have a good internet speed, it will take less time. If you have a bad internet speed, it will take more time. So just wait and watch. Now it's time to click on next. Then it's asking for this option. So I don't want to install this one because you can see that. Would you like to try 60 must-have network performance management monitoring troubleshooting tools? No. Next, start GNS3. Click on finish and done. So in this way, we have completed the GNS3 installation and the installation is working fine. So you can see this is our GNS3 tool and it's working fine. So hope you understand how to download and install GNS3 inside Windows machine. So thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through the comment. Thank you.